discipleship. What is a disciple? A disciple is a follower. A disciple is a follower. Here we are. We have Sister Shamaine and Elder. Sister Shamaine and Elder Nyambani. Okay. You see that they look alike. You can meet Shamaine at a conference when Elder Nyambani is not there. You can actually say, I also want to know Nyambani. Why? Because it's our similarities. Nekufana kwa wakaita. Same kuno. Unabona kusangana na Sister Shamaine at a conference. Oto mfunza. Kucha usimwana wachifamba ere. Taone ma similarities. Sister Shamaine, can you exchange with Sister Shamaine? Right. Aunga sangani na Sister Shamaine. Ota usimwana wachifamba ere. Why? Because there are no similarities. As disciples, thank you so much. You will take your sister. Right. As disciples, what are we saying? We are imitators. We imitate our Father. Where we go, we represent our Father. Sakapa tino famba, tino bunzwa. Kono kumida sayoja forward in faith. What are we looking for? Is what is in your Father. No shirima uriere. Shakaita dadako. No shauriere. At 100 years, our Father is looking for disciples. What is a disciple? A follower. Someone who does exactly like the discipler. So what are we saying? Our Father is looking for disciples. Who are the disciples? You and I. Hallelujah. I've been told that as a disciple, you reproduce like your teacher. 1 Corinthians chapter 4, verse 6. Let's start from verse 15. Can a quick reader please read for me? Or I will read. Even though you have 10,000 guardians in Christ, you do not have many fathers, for in Christ Jesus, I became your father through the gospel. Therefore, I urge you to imitate me. For this reason, I am sending you Timothy, my son, whom I love, who is faithful in the Lord. What is this saying? Our Father is sending you, is sending us to preach the gospel of Christ, to heal the sick, to win souls. What are we doing? We are disciples of our Father. We should reproduce like our Father. I will give a brief testimony. Fataichwa gaimeka.